kids, welcome to AVI Abacus and Vedic Math Institute. So kids, today we are doing practice for the oral sums of single digit. So let's start. I am telling the sums and you have to give answer in comment section. So the first sum is make 2 plus 2 plus 5 minus 9 plus 6 plus 2 minus 3 plus 4 minus 5. That is. Next sum, make 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus 5 minus 7 plus 6 plus 1 minus 2. That is. Next sum, make 7 plus 1 minus 8 plus 5 plus 4 minus 6 plus 1 plus 5. That is. Next sum, make 3 plus 5 minus 6 plus 5 plus 2 minus 8 plus 1. That is. Give your answer in comment section. Till then, bye-bye.